So it's going to be 70 degrees and what else? Oh yeah, in San Antonio it's going to be 90 degrees and in it's going to be cloudy in Mississippi. It's going to be cloudy in Mississippi, and also it's going to be raining in San Antonio because it's cloudy.
By the way, what channel am I watching?
Oh, you're channel 5. No, channel 3.
Okay, 3 and 5. And what are your names?
Mine is Bob. Mine is Jill.
Okay, just wanted to be sure.
In Nevada, there's going to be a low shortage of rain. And in Idaho, there is going to be some short rain. And in Illinois, there is going to be some in Springfield, Illinois, there is going to be some rain in Illinois. And in Ohio, there is going to be a 100% chance of rain. And in North Dakota, there is going to be a 99% of rain. And in Washington, there is going to be a short chance of spring.
Are there any safety tips you can give us?
No. Yeah. In Washington, it's going to be really cold in Washington.